Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make super quick mutton shami kebab. So let's get started and check out the recipe. Here I have taken half cup of chana dal. Wash it thoroughly and then soak it for about 3 to 4 hours. Next, here I have taken 6 red chilies which are less spicy. Soak it for about 10 minutes. Next, wash the mutton pieces in water and drain the water and cut into small pieces. Take a pressure cooker. In that I am going to add mutton, soaked chana dal, 2 inch of ginger, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, one onion, soaked red chilies, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, and salt as per taste. And finally I am going to add half cup of water. Pressure cook it for about 6 to 7 whistles. Switch off the flame. Once the pressure is released, open the lid and you can see our mutton is cooked well, and you can see here some water is in the cooker. So we will cook this on high heat to dry out the excess water. Now it is done. Let the mixture cool down completely in the room temperature. After that, we'll add the mixture to a big blender or mixer jar. Add some coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of garam masala and 1 egg, and grind it without adding water. Transfer the ground kebab mixture to a bowl and add finely chopped 1 whole onion, few finely chopped coriander leaves, and you can taste it because it is already cooked well. So taste it. If the salt is required, then add little salt and mix it well. Now take out handful of the mixture and press it with your hands to make it firm. Now roll the mixture on your palm to make it round and shape it into a patty. Repeat it for the rest and set aside on a plate. For frying this kebab, take a pan and add sufficient oil to shallow fry the kebabs. Fry it till they are golden brown in color. Flip over and cook the other side too. Once it is done, we will remove it from the oil. And our delicious and tasty Shami kebabs are ready. Serve hot with onion rings, lemon and green chutney if you wish. If you like this recipe, give a like, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.